Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about this winter storm that's going to produce a lot of snow and severe weather. So first off, we're going to talk about this winter storm. We got tons and tons of alerts on the screen here, everybody. So we have a winter storm watch for the entire area, my area here. Winter storm watch will have 5 to 7 inches of snow. We can see visibilities may drop. Blizzard conditions are coming. There's some areas up here in this part of the watch can see like 6 to 9. Winter storm warning in effect. Winter storm watch in effect. Heavy snow could be accumulations of 8 to 12 inches of snowfall coming in for this storm as well. And then there's these winter weather advisories for parts of Kentucky. So a winter weather advisory here for 1 to 3 inches of snow only. It also extends all the way out here. Here's that winter storm warning. You can check that out. A winter storm warning. 4 to 8 inches expected as well. But we are going to talk about the severe weather now. That's the alert part of the storm. So let's get into it. So there is that enhanced risk tomorrow for severe weather and stuff. So the storm is going to produce tornadoes. Some could be significant. Some could be strong and deadly. A few strong tornadoes could be possible. Some could be a moderate risk by tomorrow. So stay tuned, everybody. This winter storm is expected to become a very major snowstorm. In fact, this storm has already have the potential to drop snowfall amounts. So let's go check out the Winter Severity Index on the screen. So we're going to get to the Winter Severity Index. Not for us, but we're going to get to the Winter Severity Index. Here's that index potential. Here is that area of orange. Here is... Alright. Okay. Okay, this storm is a major storm. You can see there's even the potential for some major to extreme impacts in this red and pink purple area. Some red to extreme impacts up here for parts of New York State, and up here towards New England there's a potential for some major to extreme impacts as well from this storm. And then out here towards the Rockies there's a potential for some major to extreme impacts from this storm. So let's go check out the overall snow amount on this. So day 3. Okay, we're in a yellow right now. So we overall got a major my area of impacts. Let's go check out the weather models. This storm is expected to become a bombogenesis storm, okay? This storm is going to get wacky. This storm is going to drop a lot of snow and become a very wacky situation. Severe weather is going to be possible on this side of the storm. 967. This is a very low pressure. It gets stronger off coast. Let's check out the upper winds of the storm. Okay, this is how things are going to set up. You can see the vorticity on this storm is going to be very strong on this storm. This is a very major impactful winter storm. There's another one coming, but this is last winter's last straw. This storm is also going to set up for a temperature change, okay, where that warm air is happening. It's about severe weather. Here's that cold air. And let's check out the snowfall amounts. So this storm is going to drop a good amount of snow. That's for sure. Yep. Let's check out the CMC model. Showing... Let's see what the... Okay, there's a storm on Saturday. Not as strong as the GFS, but that's what it's looking like. Let's check out the... Okay, let's check out... So that's what the storm looks like on the weather models, so... It's what it looks like. Let's go on down here to the severe weather part of the storm. Okay, this is where the severe weather is occurring right now in Florida. Okay, there's that severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. tonight. But look how far these winter weather advisories go, okay? Let's go to Private Town. No, I don't need to tell you guys where I'm going. Okay, let's check out the... Okay, here's that temperature, okay? 6 hours snowfall. No, 48 hours snowfall. Okay, here's that potential here for some snow. Forecast. There's that winter storm watch. So winter storm watches are going to be issued for the areas up here in parts of the year. A winter storm warning is going to be wind advisories are also here. Severe thunderstorm watches are also here. Let's go to AccuWeather. So let's talk about them. So the Northeast is going to be buried in snow. Okay, buried in snowfall. So 150 million people could be under impacts with this storm. Okay, rain. So what's going to happen is freeze is going to be a rain changing to heavy wet snowfall. This storm is coming in from the west. It's going to produce heavy wet snow. You should not travel. If you're in this red zone, you should not travel at all because of blowing snow, heavy snow, and blowing snow. Blizzard warnings could be issued in this red zone. Stay tuned. The whole state of West Virginia is inside of this red area. Pittsburgh. Areas included for dangerous travel are Charleston, West Virginia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Erie, Pennsylvania, Buffalo, Pennsylvania, Lake Placid, Pennsylvania, and Berlin. Areas that are outside could see rain, thunderstorms, and rain. Okay, the snow timing shows around 7 p.m. Friday, 1 a.m. Saturday, and 7 a.m. Saturday. There's that potential for snowfall. We're in between 6 to the little 6 area, 10 to 8, 6 to 10, 3 to 6. On the southern side of this storm, we gotta have wind gusts there. The southern side is gonna be severe weather. Okay, and then things could change in the next couple of hours. So, major storm is expected. Major storm is expected, y'all. Major storm. Okay, let's read off the watch. We're actually going to read it off, okay? A winter storm watch is in effect from late Friday night through late Saturday night. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 7 inches. Let's read off the other winter storm watches. Okay, winter storm watch. Heavy snow possible. Total snow 3 to 5 inches. Okay, let's read every single one of these off for a minute. Here's for Erie, okay? Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulation in excess of 7 inches of snowfall. Okay? This storm is going to be very impactful. Blizzard-like conditions are expected. Blizzard conditions are possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches. Blizzard conditions possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches. Travel could be very difficult, okay? With this storm, travel could be very difficult. Blizzard-like conditions could be expected with this storm. Wind gusts could exceed 40 to 55 miles an hour. Sorry. It's okay. Okay. So everything about this, okay. The local storm max of these winds are going to be 90 miles an hour. Blowing snow/rain, reduced visibility, localized power outages, travel delays, coastal flooding, AccuWeather, local storm max. This storm could have coastal impacts like waves and stuff, but it's not as bad if it was on high tide. But there's areas along here with wind gusts over 60 to 70 with heavy snow in that winter storm watch area. Areas up here could see up to 12 to 18 inches of snowfall. So there could be plenty of snowfall with this storm. Some areas could see high as 30 inches in these isolated zones, even right in this area, isolated zone. I think the area of snowfall could get extended. But this storm is expected to bring winter weather advisories. So Winter Storm Quinton, or whatever it is going to bring the heavy snow. Okay. Here's the latest on Winter Storm Quinton, or whatever. There's the alerts. Look out.
So this next winter storm is going to cover a lot of ground, and it'll strengthen really.
This storm is going to become a bomb cyclone, okay? If you look at it, you can see 3 to 5 inches to 1 to 3 here in this area. But it's showing less and less snow each time. But I don't believe it. Look, it's going to become this very bomb-o storm. It's going to be a strong storm. It's coming. It's going to bring heavy snowfall. What I really think, but I don't think we're going to see that happening. Not as I believe I believe in the National Weather Service snowfall amounts for the area up here. I believe it. I don't believe anything else but the National Weather Service. Yeah, that's red. That's orange. But still, that doesn't mean nothing. 5 to 7 inches, but this is the expected amount. I really believe this. There is that potential that the storm here could overperform with snowfall amounts where I live at too. In Charleston, West Virginia. You see that? There's that area, that snowshoe. Yeah, I'm serious though. This storm could overperform itself. You don't know that. This storm could just way overperform. All of West Virginia in a higher snowfall terrain can see about 10 inches of snow and stuff like that if the higher snow total comes true. Okay, there's that 10 snowshoe. You can see 11. That orange area is a 12 spot. It's a little area near Flatwoods, West Virginia. Or that little zone right here, you can see a 12-inch mark, okay? So there's that winter storm watch for parts of Morgantown, Clarksburg, Elkins, Snowshoe, even parts of Kentucky where Ryan Hall lives. Okay, this storm here. There's a winter storm watch for Moorhead or Jackson, Kentucky. Rain will change and develop snow on Friday till snow accumulations of 3 to 5. Locally with higher amounts of possible. So there is that potential. But we are in an area where we could see the most. 5 to 7 inches of snow. That's plenty of snowfall for the storm to take over. A major snowstorm is expected this weekend. Winter storm warnings and blizzard warnings will go up soon. Stay tuned, everybody. This will be my first video. There's the alerts again for the whole country. I'm going to read them off. High wind warnings, freeze warnings, wind advisories, red flag warnings, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, severe thunderstorm watch, flood watch, freeze watch, another freeze watch. These are all the alerts for the whole country. Severe thunderstorm watch, flood warning, winter storm watch, winter weather advisory, freeze warning, freeze watch, and red flag warning, high wind warning, high wind watch, and wind advisory. They're all the warnings for the country right now. And also these little areas called flood warnings, okay? But there's that winter weather advisory. There was a winter storm warning earlier today, but there's that winter weather advisory. But that whole zone in this color right here is going to see heavy snowfall. Okay? Stay tuned, everybody. See you guys later.